About my hello everyone. My name is Edward. I'm a student at Studio Environmental Engineering. I usually wake up at 6:30 am and I check my phone before breakfast. I live with my family. My mother food is delicious. I like listening to music and I love learning about Arduino projects. I sometimes play video games at next, but I never sleep late during the week. My daily routine every morning I drink some coffee and eat egg sandwich. There are many restaurants near my house but prefer homemade food. For lunch I also eat rice, chicken and vegetables. There is much sugar in my diet because I try to eat food. I eat drink soda every day, but I like eat fruit. This snack are high yet and that which is fresh. I tried to Cusco last year. I was in Cusco with my friends. They said it was beautiful and they what was good. There were many forests, a tea street and tea restaurants were full. We visited historic places and tried traditional foods. The soup was delicious and the people were very friendly. The trip was exciting because I was my first time traveling with friends. I memorable dinner on the next we were in a small restaurant near the plaza. There was a light music show and the atmosphere as Dominic a tried a traditional dish which potatoes and meat. There were many t-shirts but my favorite was chocolate cake. The water said drink and it was excellent. People sought best Cusco because the food and culture are incredible. Visitors should live with trained traditional dish. Conclusion. In my daily life, I study, I live my family and enjoy learning new things. I usually have a busy routine, but I always make time for my hobbies. My trip to Cusco was unforgettable because the city was beautiful. The Food was delicious and the experience was special. Thank you, listening.